Hello, my name is Dan Oakes. I'm the creator of Cook'n, and today I'm going to show you a new feature that we added to Cook'n that's going to be a huge time saver for you. This is going to blow your mind. Check this out. I sent a text message to my buddy Brent Lang, and I was like, hey, Kathy, my wife, asked me what kind of dessert I want for Father's Day, and I told her that I want your carrot cake, the one with the milk poured over the top. We ate this on a camp out, and it was awesome. And so he said, absolutely, here you go. So he sent me this photo that he took of his wife's recipe. So now I need to get this into Cook'n. And watch how easy it is to do. I'm going to tap the sharing icon on the bottom right corner here. And then I'm going to select the Cook'n app. Import photo into Cook'n. Cook'n can import one recipe at a time. Yeah, open. Okay, now this photo appears now in my Cook'n app. And all I got to do is tap the submit button in the top right corner here. And the Cook'n Elves are going to get to work. They're cracking open their spell book, and my recipe is being enchanted into digital perfection. Is this really going to work? I mean, look at that handwriting. Oh my gosh, a classic spiced homemade carrot cake topped with a rich cream cheese frosting. Wait, that wasn't even part of the recipe. The Cook'n Elves got a little creative here, and they made this even better than I thought. And it got all of the ingredients, put all the recipe directions in, put the directions in numbered steps for me to make it easy for when I'm in the kitchen. Oh my gosh, that was so easy to get this recipe into Cook'n. Now I'm going to tap create. And Cook'n says, which cookbook and chapter you want to save it into? Yep, desserts chapter in the Dan's Recipes cookbook. Show me the recipe. Let's take a look at what this looks like here. Nice. It saves the original photo. And it's got all the ingredients in the recipe directions. Awesome. Well, shoot, if Cook'n can do that, I've got a bunch of recipes here. I'm going to tap the More button on the bottom right navigation bar. And I'm going to tap Scan. And this time I'm going to choose Camera. Because you see, I've got loads of recipes here from my wife's recipe drawer. And I got to get these into Cook'n. But if Cook'n has this scan feature, that might make this really easy. I mean, look at these. When she finds a recipe she likes, chocolate mousse pie, she puts them in this drawer. I literally have hundreds and hundreds of recipes here that she's collected over the years, and typing these in would be painful. It would take me forever too, and I don't want to do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take the first one, and I'm going to shoot a photo of this. Let's see if this works. Tres leche cake. Okay, use photo. And now I just tap submit. Let's see if this works. Enchanted recipe translation underway. Our elves are on the job. No way, they're doing all the work for me. The Cook'n magical elves are amazing. Woo! I'm loving this, baby. You're telling me I don't have to type this in myself. Let's see if it works, though. Tres leche cake, a classic tres leche cake made with light sponge cake, blah, blah, blah. Look at that. All the ingredients are there. All the recipe directions in numbered steps to make it easy. Nice. Create. Save it to desserts. Awesome. Uploading the recipe. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, I'm going to choose camera. And this time, I'm going to choose this handwritten recipe. Let's see if it can do this one. Coconut bars. Use photo. And submit. Elf magic in progress. Your recipe is being lovingly decoded by tiny culinary wizards. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I believe it. Because look at this, coconut bars. Sweet coconut bar cookies with brown sugar and chopped nuts baked on a cookie sheet. Nice. That's not even there. The recipe original one didn't even have that description. That's awesome. Look, it got all the ingredients, got the directions, and everything. So create. Certified. Okay, now I'm going to try something else. In my photo library here, I'm going to tap collections, and I'm going to go to favorites. And I took a screenshot actually of this recipe that I found right here, how to make everything bagel roast chicken. But it didn't all fit on one screenshot, so I'm going to tap this camera icon in the top right corner. I'm going to choose photo library again. and collections and favorites. And now I'm going to actually, I can actually select multiple. So I'm going to select, it took me 4 screenshots to get this entire recipe because it wouldn't fit all on one screen. So it looks like I got all 4 images here. So I'm going to tap submit. Can the Cook'n Elves hold tight? The elves are zooming in with their tiny magnifying glasses. Thank you for your patience. Oh, magical elves have tiny magnifying glasses, apparently. So they're getting to work, and apparently they can do more than one image, which is awesome. Nice! Oh my gosh, this is mind-blowing. Okay, I got another challenge for it. You ready for this one? A-OK. All right, so this time I'm going to choose Photo Library again, and collections and favorites. And this time I've got a recipe that I took a photo. This is from a cookbook. And on one page in the cookbook, they had 2 recipes. And I want to get those into Cookin', but I need to edit this. So what I'm going to do is tap on the image, and that brings up an image editor. And I'm just going to drag this bottom edge up here to crop it so that I only have one recipe because I don't want to try to import 2 at a time. You can only do 1 at a time. Now I click the checkbox, and now I've got just the one image. I click submit. A magical conversion is underway. The elves are extracting your recipe details automatically. No typing needed. Well, that's the truth. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, look at that. A flavorful southwestern twist on classic beef. Nice. Create. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. And now I need to get that other one, which was in collections, favorites, and it was the second one on the page. So I did the first one, the top one, right? So I'm going to tap on the image. I'm just going to drag the top bar. Oh, no way. This is awesome. So you can totally edit. You can rotate images and crop them and so forth. So now I'm going to tap submit. Easy enchilada casserole. Deep inside the Cookin' Treehouse, the elves gather. They're deciphering your recipe one magical line at a time. Oh, man. This app is the best. So this works on iPhones and Android devices. I'm going to tap create now. And iPads and Kindle Fires and every platform. Snap. Nice. And I can import recipes from shooting it from the camera, from the photo library. I can import PDF documents, and if somebody emails a recipe to you and you just select it and copy it, you can tap clipboard and Cookin' will paste the text into this dialog, and then you can import it that way too. In addition to working on your mobile devices, you can actually launch the Cookin' desktop app, and you can import and scan recipes from your computer. It works on Windows computers, it works on Macs, and all platforms. So what you do in the Cookin' desktop app to use the magic scan features, you just click up here on this snippet button, the snippet quick importer tool. And now at this point, I can select a source, right? I can import scanned recipes, and that's what I want to do. Actually, I want to do a PDF file. I've got this PDF file with this recipe, and I want to import that into Cookin'. You can edit this image if you want to, just like we did on mobile. But for now, I'm going to click Magic Scanned, and Elf Intelligence is transforming my recipe. Sit back and let the magic happen. All right. Let's see if this works. There we go. Look at that. This family favorite is the same recipe my grandmother used. Oh, man, nice. It's got the ingredients. And so now I can click Save. And then I can click on this View tab to see what this recipe looks like when I'm ready to prepare it. That is awesome. Oh my gosh, getting recipes into Cookin' with this new magic scan feature makes life so much easier, so much better than having to type it. So use the scan feature in Cookin' and let the magic happen.